Start reaching out to people, start apologizing. You know, if you've been so self-involved with yourself and now you're in a lonely place, sometimes being lonely, like, is calling up a friend and saying, I've been an asshole and I am sorry. And I'm in a really dark place right now. And I'm just looking back thinking, oh my God, I've been so self-involved that there's no one around me to be there for, and I am so, so sorry. You know, and again, it goes right back to everything we were talking about, which is it's accountable for me versus victim of me. You know, that I'm not a victim of the world around me, you know?